Dreams are not what you see in sleep. Dreams are those that do not let you sleep. Jai Hind everyone, this is Nana. Topic of my today's lecture is ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is India's foremost space agency and a cornerstone of the nation's scientific and technological process. It was established on 1969 under the visionary leadership of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. ISRO was founded with the clear purpose of using space technology for national development rather than for military dominance or prestige. Working under the Department of Space, Government of India, and headquartered in Bengaluru, ISRO began its journey with limited resources but an extraordinary vision. From launching sounding rockets at Tumba, Kerala, to conducting complex interplanetary missions, ISRO's growth reflects India's determination to achieve self reliance in advanced science and technology. A defining aspect of ISRO's work is its focus on practical application of space science to improve everyday life. Satellite programs such as INSAT and GSAT have revolutionized telecommunication, television broadcasting, telemedicine, and distance education, especially in remote and rural regions. Meanwhile, the Indian remote sensing satellites play a crucial role in agriculture, forestry, water resource management, mineral exploration, and urban planning. ISRO's satellite based weather forecasting and disaster management systems provide early warnings for cyclones, floods, and droughts, thereby giving countless lives and reducing economic losses. ISRO has gained international recognition for its indigenous innovation and cost effective mission planning. The Mars Orbiter mission Mangalyaan, launched in 2013 and successfully placed in Mars orbit in 2014, marked a historical achievement by making India the first country to reach Mars on its first attempt. This mission demonstrated that high quality space exploration is possible even with limited budgets. ISRO's lunar exploration through the Chandrayaan program further strengthened its global standing. The successful landing of Chandrayaan 3 in 2023 near the moon's south polar region opened new avenues for scientific research, particularly in understanding lunar water, ice, and moon's geology. In the field of launch vehicle technology, ISRO has developed highly reliable systems that serve both national and international needs. The Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV is widely regarded as one of the most dependable launch vehicles in the world. Having launched hundreds of satellites for India and many other countries, the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle GSLV, equipped with an individual cryogenic engine, represents a major milestone in India's technological independence, enabling the country to place heavy communication satellites into geostationary orbit without foreign assistance. Through commercial launches, ISRO has also strengthened India's presence in the global space economy. Looking forward the future, ISRO's ambitions continue to expand. The Gaganyaan mission, aimed at sending Indian astronauts into space, marks India's entry into human spaceflights and reflects the maturity of its space program. Alongside this, upcoming missions focusing on solar studies, planetary exploration, and advanced Earth observation highlight ISRO's commitment to scientific excellence and innovation. In conclusion, I would like to say that ISRO is not merely a space agency but a symbol of India's scientific spirit, resilience, and self reliance, proving that with vision and perseverance, a nation can transform bold dreams into achievement that inspires the entire world. Thank you, Jai Hind.